When you start a manufacturing business and you are struggling to keep up and scale up, you need certain tools that are going to streamline production, cut costs, and boost your efficiency effortlessly. So in today's video, goal getters, I am bringing forth to you 14 essential mini machines or mini tools, whatever you call them, that will actually help you make a difference in the industry. So whether you're just starting out or looking up to upgrade, this video is for you. Since I don't want this video to be too long, I will be going straight to the machines and their functions, and that is it. Bear in mind that these tools don't apply to just one business, all right? They could either be suitable for business A or business B. So I am just giving you out a list that is going to be helping you according to your business. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So we can't start this video without letting you know that Africa Today is launching a joint venture for all the goal getters who would love to partner and do something impactful in Africa. So we are launching a made in Africa diaper brand from scratch. So if this is something that catches your interest, do well to rush to our membership and you are going to be finding all the details you need on there. So the first thing I am going to be talking about is a bottle cramper. So a bottle cramper is there to securely crimp caps onto bottles. So it could be bottles like crimping metals or plastic seals on bottles like perfumes, beverages, or pharmaceuticals. Secondly, let's talk about the hand sealing machine. So a hand sealing machine normally is used to manually seal packaging materials like plastic bags or pouches. So the way it functions, it actually uses heat to melt and bond the materials together, providing an airtight and secure closure. So now let's talk about something that will help those who are into the candle making business. So we are talking here of the candle pouring dispenser. So it is designed to pour melted wax into candle molds and containers, ensuring an even, precise amount of wax for candle making. Now let's talk about a liquid filling machine. I think I mentioned this in one of my previous videos. So a liquid filling machine is that machine that is used to accurately fill bottles or containers with liquids like beverages, oils, chemicals, or creams. So it is commonly used in production lines to increase efficiency, because if people have to do the filling with their hands, not only it is going to be taking a lot of time, but it is going as well to make their containers messy. So this is that one machine that if you've got, it is actually going to make you outstand in the industry. Next on, let's talk about a label maker. So a label maker is actually used to print adhesive labels or logos, whatever, on your products. That is, it could be used on your packaging or even on your inventory, right? It can print things like barcodes, production information, and other essential details placed on your item. Next on, let's talk about the decorative paper shredding machine. You've once maybe bought a hair product or maybe let's say beauty product, and it came with a box having some shredded papers in it, right? Yes, this is the machine they use to produce those shredded papers. They aren't done with hands. Imagine having to shred papers that small with hands. Not practical at all, right? So the decorative paper shredding machine is there for that. So this machine shreds paper into different decorative shapes, all right? And it's often used for packaging or crafting. So that's why you will see a lot of people using it in product packaging or in gift boxes, which makes the whole experience very fun and cute. Now let's talk about the mini mixing machine. Now this is that machine that is used to mix small batches of ingredients, all right? It could maybe be your cream for those involved in body cream production, that is the skincare industry, right? So it mixes liquids, powders, or paste. That's why the cosmetic industry uses this a lot. The pharmaceutical industry also makes very good use of this, and even the food industry as well. So its primary function is to actually ensure uniform blending of whatever product you are dealing with. Next on, let's talk about the date coding machine. Now this machine simply prints or stamps production dates on your items. So you could use it to print your expiration dates, your batch numbers, or even barcodes onto products and packagings. And you know this is very important, for it is going to help you with compliance regulations and even your inventory tracking. Next on, you will also need something like a portable labeling machine, right? We've talked about a label maker, but now a portable labeling machine is very small and very easy to move around with, all right? And this is something that you can use on the go. That is, you've got maybe an unexpected order, and maybe, I don't know, no matter where you find yourself, you can actually print whatever you want to print on the product. Let's say maybe it's a parcel and you need to print maybe the customer's address, phone number, street, and whatever. You've got your mini labeling machine to use instantly on the product wherever you find yourself. So it is very compact, like I said, and its main advantage is the fact that it offers mobility and flexibility at the level of your labeling on your packaging, your products, or whatever item you are dealing with. Next one, let's talk about the packaging tape. This is something that is most useful for people who bulk ship things or bulk deliver things. So this is that tape that is used to attach on maybe cartons or cardboards, as you may call it, to secure them. So it is very useful, especially to those who are dealing with heavy items, all right? So with the packaging tape, you can actually ensure that your parcel is well sealed and secure. So it is very durable and ensures that your parcel or package or whatever items you've got in them stay in place and closed during the transit period. Next one, let's talk about the digital cash register. Yes, this is something that if you want to take your business to the next level, you need it. So this is an electronic device used to record sales transactions, calculate totals, and also manage cash or card payments. So it will often include features of printing receipts and tracking sales, which is something that you don't want to neglect if you really want to take your business to the next level effortlessly. Next on, we are going to be talking about a mini packaging machine. So this is an automated packaging system. This machine deals with the sealing of your parcels, the labeling and the wrapping of your products as a whole. So this machine makes packaging faster and more efficient for small scale productions. Now let's talk about a mini heat press. So this is used for pressing designs, labels, or logos on fabrics like textile or promotional product manufacturing. Next on, you will need something like a mini ultrasonic welding machine. So this machine uses high frequency vibration to join plastic parts together. It is commonly used in the packaging of electronics, pharmaceuticals, and medical product manufacturing. So last but not the least, you would be needing a 3D mini printer. So this machine will quickly create prototypes and small parts using various materials like resins, plastics, or metal, and it is ideal for custom manufacturing. So go getters, we've come to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Please do well to share it with your loved ones and endeavor to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, for on here we bring you the best on anything that can make you attain your financial independence as soon as possible. That said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one.